American food or Filipino food? Which one do you prefer the most?
That's difficult. I would
It means
say,
it means fifty
um,
fifty.
yeah, I would say I grew up with American food, so I think I have a more
Right.
American taste, right? But Filipino food is also very delicious, and it reminds me of my family, right? Because even though we lived in America, my parents would cook Filipino food a lot. So I grew up with both, really.
Uh-huh.
But I do love like hamburgers, hot dogs, kind of things.
Okay,
But
okay.
Filipino
Got it,
history
got
is
it.
also very good. I don't know. It's very hard to pick.
Why did your parents decide to live in America? Because you said that you were born in America.
Oh, yes. So, well, they came separately actually. My dad moved to America when he was in his early 20s, and
Okay.
he wanted to make money so that he can bring it home and live in the Philippines.
Right.
And then my mom came to America because I don't know if you know about this, but in the 1970s, 1980s Philippines, there was a lot of political unrest, and
I don't
she
know
didn't agree
exactly.
with the government back then. So she wanted to live in a freer country. So she came to America. And that's when the two of them met each other, fell in love, and stayed there.
Okay, so your father met your mom for the first time
Hmm.
in America.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's like coincidence because two Filipinos and they went there, they met each
Hmm.
other,
Yeah.
and then they
Yeah. They
became
fell in
together,
love
right?
there. Yeah. Although
It's a great coincidence.
I wouldn't know if it's a coincidence because there are a pretty big Filipino community where we are in America. So
Okay.
they actually met
Where,
each
where?
other.
Where in
Oh, New
America?
Jersey. New Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay. Quite
Hmm.
popular place, I know. Right.
And so my mom's, I think it's my dad's brother's wife who introduced them to each other. They were like, "Oh, I know this girl, you'll love her. Oh, I know this guy, you'll love him." And then, yeah.
So sweet, so sweet. It's good, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what else? Something I forgot actually. I wanted to ask something, but I forgot
I
because
do that all the time.
I I lost in your speech.
You know what that's called? In America, we'll call that a brain fart. Here, I'll type it just in case.
Okay,
Like when you're thinking about
brain fart.
something and then
Uh-huh.
suddenly it's a brain fart.
It's like it works like idiom.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a common-ish saying.
You are, I mean, there in America.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it. Now comes to I want to mention thing. Come back
Mm-hmm.
to the food.
Yes, of course.
So uh, I know that Filipinos rice is very popular in the world.
Is it really?
Rice, rice, rice from Philippines.
Yeah,
So do you know
I'm
about it
actually
or not?
surprised.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, I'm very surprised
Maybe you
actually.
didn't get a chance to know about that, but yes, I got to study about it. That
Really, because I
Filipinos
know
rice is
like
very popular.
it's it's good for me. Like I like it, but I didn't know other places liked it too.
Okay, that's why I asked that. What's the reason? I mean, which kind of quality is it, which makes it so popular across the world?
I actually I don't know because I love rice, but I can't tell you the intricacies of what makes this rice better than this rice, right? I know Filipino rice is usually a little more long grain, but not as long as some other rice, like this big, and it's not the same as
Okay,
like Japanese sushi rice. Doesn't clump as well. It's very good for making fried rice.
There are many kinds of rice actually.
Yeah,
Many, many,
I would say.
many.
One good dish with Filipino rice is, of course, Filipino garlic fried rice. That's very popular.
Okay. Garlic fried rice. Oh, that's cool. All right. Okay. So, do you have questions for me?
Ah, yes. So, well, I didn't prepare any, but I'm just gonna ask anyway.
Why not? Why
Okay.
not?
So you are the one who said that you have a channel dedicated to this
Absolutely right.
cambly, right? And why did you start it?
I mean, the channel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, I thought that it's a good way to express your ideas, okay, through a channel. If you learn something, you can teach others as well. So, better way to choose a platform where you can deliver your ideas, your lessons. And I started talking with tutors on Cambly because I wanted to share this video on my channel for my viewers so that they can watch, they can learn, they can explore the world because I
Mm-hmm.
generally talk with different tutors from different part of the world.
Yeah.
So yes, which I like it, and I hope they also enjoy the conversation as I see the views on my videos. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that's why I decided to do it. And when you talk with a native tutor or native speaker, so it gives you many chances to know many things. For example, about language, about culture, about food, as we
Mm-hmm.
talked, right? And
Mm-hmm.
there's a special case, which is you, which
Mm-hmm.
has two, which has experience of two cultures. So
Oh
in
yeah.
this way, you have more chance to know more about two cultures or more than two cultures by just one
Mm-hmm.
person.
Well, I think that's
So
very good that you do that. Yeah, and learning about different people and gaining their experience, right?
yes,
Um,
and I actually wanted to involve myself speaking with the native tutors, native speakers. Okay, so I wanted to work on American accent, so I decided to talk with just native speakers from there. So
oh
Megan,
yeah.
I see
Mm-hmm.
that we have just 45 seconds left. So
Oh no.
I want to ask you that what do you think of my fluency? Because I want to know, and it's important for me so that my viewers can understand.
Okay, so I think you're very articulate actually, and it seems like you understood everything I said, even when I didn't use very big words today, but even the semi big words, I think you understood, right? And
Yeah,
actually, when you were speaking about your accent, I would say that, yeah, your accent isn't as thick as most people would think. So I think you're doing a good job working on that.
thank you so much, Megan, and I hope to see you very, very,
All
very
right.
soon.
All right. Take care now.
Take care.
Enjoy the rest of your
Take care.
day. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.